Oh, boy, I guess it's definitely a high-end place here.
Not your typical residence, but really a great place to showcase the automation systems that we have in here.
Okay, all right, and I guess one of the main parts of it are the control panels, and is this the main one?
This is when you walk in the front door, we've got the touchscreen from here. And from here you can control the motorized blinds, the lighting, the HVAC, the security, the audio-video system, and the water wall and water ball.
Now, what about learning curve on this? I think immediately you think about, boy, it'll take forever to figure out how to use this thing.
You know, if you think of it as from this one location, I can use it to control my security, and now it's turned into my security keypad, or I can control the HVAC system, the heating and air conditioning system, and I control the 3 zones in this unit. Or if I'm going to control my lighting system, I can go to the lighting and I can go right to the dining room and control the lights in the dining room, or turn all the lights on and all the lights off, which is very convenient. If you think of it as different stations like that, same with the motorized blinds. I can go in here and we can control which blinds are open and closed to the house. And a lot of this automated system is set on a timed event, so you can have blinds opening and closing at different times. Same with the lighting control of the house too. And
well, I can see where that could save a little energy with closing the blinds in the afternoon when the sun's bearing down in the house.
It does that, and you're protecting artwork and furniture that way too. So
right. And I guess by having the central pad, you're really kind of decluttering the walls of your home.
The interior decorators love that, because what we're doing is we're eliminating the need for a keypad for security and a keypad for lighting and a keypad for the audio video, and you'd have a wall full of stations, and I'm condensing it all into one convenient touchscreen.
Oh, that's great. Now, what about controlling anything in the home from, say, another location? I hear that's another advantage of home automation.
People really like that. They want to be able to call the house and actually trigger the HVAC system to be set to a comfortable level when they arrive, if this is a vacation home. So if they're 3-4 hours out, they can call up the house and activate it, and off they go.
Well, that's great.